I woke up and it is raining cats and dogs. It is throwing it down, so this is fun. So I'm having a lovely bacon butty. I only have one piece of bacon, so that's why my face looks sad. But what I'm going to do, go into the cupboard, get a plate, and got some bread. So I make a bacon butty. I went to work, didn't realise I'm not working this morning, and I got soaked. Wet shoes, wet trousers, wet stockings. Fun times. These are my clean clothes that I took off the clothes dryer, clothes horse, whatever you want to call it. And Mazzy decides to make it into her new bed. I don't know why she's digging at it, but yeah, I'm just happy enough. Just watching her odd behaviour. And as you can see, she's like digging around in it, as she does. So cute. Oh, she's kneading, she's, doing the kitten thing, I guess. Give up and lay down on my clothes nonetheless. She's happy. This is a 1940s, 1950s dress. I think it's the 50s because of the belt, but I'm not sure because the way her shoulders sit. Let me know what you think, but I got a whole try on video of this dress and I love it. I spent the whole day in it. Show you off more. The person that had this dress is a 36 chest. I'm a 32, but I figured because I'm wearing the vintage bra, the cone bra, bullet bra, that's the word I'm looking for, bullet bra, that gives me enough bust to sit the dress on. Cooking potato and leek soup, 1940s recipe. I'll put a card up in the corner, but also there check out my other recipes. Just make myself a nice home cooked meal, and then as I'm waiting, I'm making a crisp sandwich. If you've never had a crisp sandwich, it is the best thing ever. Nice cup of tea. I put clean onion to have in my crisp sandwich. But we are British, we'll have anything in a sandwich, to be honest. So, it's delicious. Here's my soup. I made more than one batch, so I can have soup tomorrow. And then this is me today. Cleaning, hoovering. I didn't even bother getting out of my work clothes. It's like, fuck it, we're gonna hoover. So that's what I am doing. Over the carpet, all over it, every fucking last little bit. I've been looking at it for days and talking myself into it, and here we are. And so one of the big pile of clothes I had, they're all clean. Well, most of them are clean. They're just sorting them out where they go in the cupboard. Dresses, pajamas, tops, pants, bras, thongs. Making my whole bed.